Join me as I raid our family's basement for amazing finds. My husband's family has this super cool basement pub where they have been collecting pieces for years. Some strangely built, like this pyramid drawer piece, and some bought, but much has been built by my husband's father. In this back room is a thrifter's paradise, full of furniture pieces and shelves upon shelves of home decor, kitchen appliances, and just yummy knickknacks. As I turned to leave, I ran into this set of solid wood, rustic style nightstands, which I will be getting my hands on soon. And they have this set of wicker chairs, which I would love to reupholster and renew, but I was nervous about handling this rattan that needed to be repaired. Now look at this antique wine cabinet, which looks like it just needs a quick cleanup and it's good to go. Absolutely gorgeous. These three-tiered side tables have a lot of potential, I'd say. Everywhere I looked, antique decor just begging to be refreshed and brought back out into the spotlight, like this wooden carved piece from Thailand, I presume. And now take a look at what we took home with us. First of all, these two nightstands were handcrafted by my husband's father. One is with 2 drawers and the other with 4. It was hand-built beautifully and I'm ready to redo it. This piece he recently built as a kitchen island and I'm gonna get to use it as an outdoor workbench, all wood with shelves for equipment. I am so excited about this. And this cute, adorable writing table was actually my husband's as a small boy, also built by his father. And this was the jackpot find, which was a butcher block piece that will finally fulfill my husband's dream of an outdoor kitchen. Well guys, I'm ready to get to work. You need to subscribe so you don't miss any of these restorations.